The megacomet of 2031 is a celestial giant, unlike anything we've ever witnessed before. To understand its immense significance, we need to delve into its origins and composition. This megacomet, which we'll simply call megacomet 2031, is believed to be a remnant from the early days of our solar system. It's a relic of the past, carrying secrets about the formation of planets and celestial bodies. Megacomet 2031 is estimated to be approximately 10 kilometers in diameter, making it significantly larger than most comets that pass by Earth. Its sheer size sets it apart as an astronomical anomaly, and this unique characteristic has caught the attention of scientists and skywatchers around the world. Comets are composed mainly of ice and dust, and megacomet 2031 is no exception. As it approaches the Sun and the solar radiation intensifies, this icy behemoth will begin to shed material. This process creates the iconic cometary tail we associate with these objects. However, with megacomet 2031, the tail is expected to be a breathtaking spectacle due to its enormous size. This tail, formed by the sublimation of ices and the release of dust particles, will reflect sunlight, creating a stunning display visible from Earth. What makes megacomet 2031 particularly fascinating is its mysterious journey through the cosmos. This comet's exact origins are still a subject of scientific debate, but it is thought to have been dislodged from the distant Oort cloud, a region at the edge of our solar system where countless icy bodies reside. It's taken eons for this cosmic wanderer to travel from the frigid depths of space to its close encounter with our home planet in 2031. Scientists are eager to study its composition and gather clues about the conditions in the early solar system.